Namaste everyone, this is AJ and Tattvamasi Learning Hub is going to conduct the civil service exam classes for 2020 and 2021, and the name is Road to Success class. And as I said in the last episode, we will be subjected to the civil service exam prelims oriented classes. And first episode will be teaching you the syllabus for the civil service exam. Before that, we can see the exam pattern for a civil service exam. It contains two examination, preliminary examination and mains examination, and as a part of it, preliminary examination contains general studies and aptitude test. General studies will be of 200 mark and the duration will be 2 hours. The same as aptitude test in the noon batch, 200 marks, 2 hours. And main note to be pointed out is that general studies paper 2 aptitude test will be a qualifying paper with minimum qualifying marks fixed at 33%. You have to take just 33% out of 200 marks to get passed, so that the general studies paper will be evaluated next. So please note, first the aptitude test paper will be evaluated, and if you are secured 33% mark, you will get the chance to evaluate your paper of general studies. Next thing is mains examination. If you pass in the prelims, you will be subjected to mains examination, and the mains examination contains an compulsory Indian language with is 300 marks, a compulsory English language with 300 marks, and essay paper 250 marks, GS1 that is general studies 1, GS2, GS3 and GS4 of 250 marks per subject, and with the 3 hours of time for each paper. And optional paper 1 and optional paper 2 is another 250 mark per head, and optional paper will be of many subjects like history, geography, arts, economics, and which are optional may be selected as per the degree level qualification of your test. And the subject total of all those exams will be 1750, in which the noted point is the compulsory language will be qualifying papers with minimum qualifying marks fixed at 25%. After selected in the mains examination, you will be subjected to personality test of 275 marks, in which you will get the grand total of 2025 marks total, out of which you will be securing a cutoff, and this cutoff will be varied in each year as per the performance of each and every students applying for the exam. This is the main exam pattern of a UPSC civil service exam. Next is syllabus, and as per the syllabus is considered general studies. We have current events of national and international importance, history of India and Indian national movement, India and world geography, physical, social, economic geography of India and the world, Indian polity and governance, constitutional political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy, rights issues, etc. Economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographic, social sector initiatives, general issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, climate change that do not require subject specialization, general science. And this is a GS paper, and next it is aptitude test. We can consider the syllabus will be a comprehension type, interpersonal skills including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy, numbers and relations, orders of magnitude, etc., which will be of class 10 level, data interpretation, charts, graphs, tables, data sufficiency, etc., of class 10 level. So guys, this is the syllabus and the exam pattern of civil service exam conducted by UPSC. Hope you have a basic idea for the subject criteria and other criteria. We'll be having deep knowledge soon with Tattvamasi Learning Hub starting to Road to Success class, and please be with Tattvamasi Learning Hub. Subscribe and support our channel for upcoming civil service oriented classes and other classes which will launch soon. Thank you. AJ signing out.